Hey, have you ever wanted to build and grow your email list at a massive scale without using any paid traffic and also be able to get affiliate signups for your other opportunities? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Chianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space. And in this video, I'm going to share with you some results, and I'm also going to show you a way that you could leverage this platform to be able to uh, generate leads for free and to be able to get commissions as well. So building your email list is going to be the most important thing that you do, and I'm going to show you some results right here. So all these sales right here is from a reel that I posted on my Facebook, and basically these are sales right here that I have. I have pictures on my Facebook page of this as well. So this is actually a video. So all these are sales uh, for this month, right? So this is what this platform allows you to do, and it also allows you to build an email list. Leads go uh, directly to your account, so they go directly to your get response account. So if you're trying to build your email, this platform will help you because as people sign up, they pass up leads to you. It goes up 5 levels up, so that way there's leverage as you're building your list, and the leads go directly to your get response. I believe they are going to integrate Aweber in here as well. So if you're using that, that will also probably be integrated in here in the future. And as you can see, I'm at the top of the leaderboard for this right now. And if we go to team, so I'm going to go to team to show you. I have 1,360 leads that have been generated from this platform, and I did not spend a penny on paid traffic. And then I'm going to take you over here and show you you can also have your affiliate link for Udimi in here. So when people go and they use this platform, they're also signing up under you for Udemy. So as they get traffic with Udemy, you also get that commission. You'll also get your referrals built for GetResponse for anybody who uses the system and doesn't have GetResponse. So you'll start getting affiliate commissions from there, and you'll also get affiliate commissions um, from Traffic Zest as well. So if we go here, I'm going to show you. So here's my affiliates that have signed up uh, under me. So as you can see right here, I have 20 people. So anytime those, or actually I got 40 people. So I got 40 people who have signed up with me, and anytime they go and they buy traffic from here, I get a commission. So I don't really use my Traffic Zest account too much because I do uh, I do sell traffic. So if you're looking for high quality traffic, you could go over to profitbuilderstraffic.com, and you could get a traffic package from me, and I will actually give you help and support. But basically using um, using this platform right here is going to help you to build and grow your email list. And if you want to get paid traffic from me, just go over to profitbuilderstraffic.com, and there is a link in the description for that, right? So you could go to my traffic store, you could order a traffic package from me, and I'm going to actually look over your funnel whenever you actually order from me, and I get people the highest opt-in rate possible, as high as 85% opt-in rate with sales. So you can check that out for yourself. And if you do order from me, you're going to know exactly how to manage your email list right, how to track your stats. So you're going to know how to track your opt-in rate, how to track your conversion rate, how to manage your list the right way, because a lot of people get leads onto the email list, and they don't know how to segment properly. So they're sending emails to everybody, which is going to hurt your domain reputation, which is going to end your emails up in the spam box, right? Which is what we don't want. We want your emails to go to the inbox. And, being part of this right here actually teaches you how to segment your list the proper way, because there is, training on how to do that. And when you do that, you're able to actually um, only send emails to the people who want to hear from you, right? So when you send emails to only the people that want to hear from you, then you're actually getting a higher open rate and people are actually seeing your email and you're saving money on leads, right? Because you don't want people on your email list that aren't opening your emails. It's going to cost you money and it's going to hurt your domain reputation. So you only want to send to people who want to hear from you. So when you're doing any kind of paid traffic or when you have leads coming to you, you always want to make sure they're highly engaged. So we do that with a tag and we do that with automation. So, your autoresponder messages, the purpose of them is just to see who's opening and who's clicking on your emails, right? So if they click on a link, then you actually know that they're engaged. If they click on your email, then you know that they opened it, right? So if you tag them and we move them over to a engaged list, the engaged list is actually where you broadcast from, right? So that's how it actually works, and we could talk more about that if you decide to book a order of traffic with me, and if you want to sign up for this, platform, so that way you can actually make commissions, you can grow your email list, and you can grow your referral commissions for traffic programs and other opportunities. Then make sure you click on the link below this video that talks about free traffic, right? It's going to be the second link. If you want to know how I built my business online, and how I have everything, structured and the tools that I use and everything like that, that's going to be the first link under this video. Then I also have a link to my traffic store. You could go to my traffic store. There's going to be a link below for that as well. And there's going to be a link to my free Facebook group. You could get into that where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. You can also connect with me that way through Facebook. And also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a video. And if you have questions, concerns, or anything like that, leave your comments below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and bye for now.